So, sorry. So, I know. One blue and one black. There we go. So, so one of the things I do, uh, while while trying to continue this journey of losing weight, which I have, I'm up to, I've lost 110 pounds. Well, almost 110, like 108 point something. So, I guess 109 pounds. One of the things I do is I use meal replacements, um, in addition to my protein powders. Be a meal replacement for maybe breakfast, do a protein powder after my workout, and then from then on, uh, go about my regular meals and stuff. So today, we're gonna do a vegan one here, and the reason why we're doing this one is because um, a lot of the whey proteins, they're really good, and whey digests super fast, but some of the times it makes me feel bloated because I take many other supplements. Okay, you see them up there. I take a lot of vitamins, milk thistle, krill oil, uh, fish oil, folic acid, biotin, multivitamins. I take them all. Okay. When you're in a deficit, and my deficit's about a 500 calorie to maybe 1,000 on some days. Just like today, it's almost a 1,300 calorie deficit because I just am not hungry. I ate a ton of protein. A ton of protein. I probably had about 150 grams of protein today. I can't get to 200 today. Not today. Ain't gonna happen. Anyway, so I do meal replacements. Essential10 is it's a vegan meal replacement. It's got a lot of stuff in here. It's got pea protein, sprouted brown rice. This is all organic, by the way. Vegetable fiber, tapioca dextrin, organic cane sugar, alkalized cocoa, not cacao. I also use cacao too. Natural Belgian chocolate flavor, sunflower oil, natural flavor, tapioca starch. It's got a bunch of antioxidants. It's got um, coffee fruit extract, organic blueberry extract, organic strawberry extract, organic tart cherry, which is real good for recovery, organic cranberry. Cranberry is real good for your urinary tract. It's real good to help with that. Organic mango extract, organic alkalized cocoa, uh, organic sprouted broccoli extract, organic carrot extract, organic spinach extract, organic sprouted kale, organic beet extract, organic guar gum, xanthan gum, stevia leaf extract. It's got lactobacillus acidophilus, which is a probiotic, protease enzyme, so enzymes to help you break down the foods. Monk fruit, it's got calcium in, magnesium, sodium ascorbate, niacinamide, whatever the hell that one is, zinc glutamate, calcium. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. It's got folic acid, biotin. Biotin's real good for your hair, your nails, and your skin. And why that affects me is loose skin, which is a thing I showed you guys in the video today. It's getting worse. It's gonna get worse. Silicone is in here. Alpha tocopherol acetate. It's also got prebiotics in here too. So prebiotics are undigestible fibers, undigestible fiber, and it. So something like Metamucil, which I also have up there, or psyllium husk, which I've got the Metamucil, but I've also got psyllium husk pills up there. Basically, it does what it does is it gelatinizes and it just kind of pulls everything out. That's how. But it attracts water to it. So so yeah, that's how that happens. Anyway, so but the cool thing about this meal replacement is I don't know if you can see that. 22 grams of protein. That's crazy for a meal replacement. I have a non-organic um, a whey and soy based meal replacement, which I'll do a separate review on. And guess what? That one, it's got like 12 grams of protein in it. It's got all kinds of stuff in there. Really not good for you. Now with these, I don't do the full serving sizes. I also don't with my protein. Um, that's why I add meal replacements and proteins in a short time frame with each other, is so that I get the benefits of both. Um, and it's basically enough to keep me satiated until I actually eat food. But still, even if you're in a deficit, you have to hit these macros. You got to hit your protein. You have to hit your fats. People avoid fats. Like for instance, you didn't. I don't know if you know this, but in order to absorb proteins into your body, you actually need fats to go with it, and the fats that came in those things that the proteins came in. So like fat-free milk, not real good because you took the fat out, but you left the protein in. So that protein has trouble absorbing unless you consume it with some sort of fats, but even though it still wouldn't be in the state that it was originally in. In other words, stop processing your foods or stop processing them as much. I realize that because this is a processed food. Stop minimal processing to no processing. We don't have to worry about this. Anyway, so it's got 210 calories, 30 of them from fat. That literally 3 minutes, 2 minutes on a treadmill to burn off those fat calories. 26 grams of carbs. 10 of those carbs are from fiber, and 3 are from sugar. So there's 13 carbs kind of hidden in this ingredients list. But a 10 net carbs, not going to hurt you. It's got 3 grams of fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, and 22 grams of fiber. This is a good meal replacement. This is something that could, get you through a couple hours. If you think about it, most meals will stretch to what? 500 calories or so. But if this satiates you for just one meal a day times 5, right? Let's just say you save 300 calories a day because you only have this once a day, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. That's almost a pound of fat, or of calories, I should say, that you're now not consuming. Okay, so in 9 days you could lose a pound by just replacing one meal with that. I wouldn't go overboard and say 2. You should eat your foods, but if you're in a deficit, meal replacements, especially the Essential10 here, which by the way is only like $12 or something, $12, $13, something like that. And so for that, for 12 or $13, you're getting 10 servings. Okay. So that's what, $1.25, $1.35 or something like that. It's going to be even less for me because I only do half servings. Of course, you're only going to get half of the things in here. But that's okay because I add other stuff to my shakes, like maca powder and hemp seed, ground flaxseed, cacao powder, PB Fits or PB2. So I add powdered peanut butter. So like I hit my 20 grams that I have to have post workout, the anabolic window. I hit that. So I don't need to take a full serving of this. And if I don't, and I use those other things, they help me hit like the maca powder. Maca powder has a gram of protein, right? So I use 1 tablespoon, and I get a gram of protein for $20 or for $20. Wow. For 20 calories, you add some fiber, you add some carbs, there's some sugars in here, But if I really want to, and if I want to minimize the calories in that and boost up the protein, my arms hurt. It was arms and chest day today. It hurts. I'm gonna go for the hemp seed, okay? So the hemp seed, for 3 tablespoons, 10 grams of protein. I don't want 3 tablespoons. I never do. So what I do is I add 1 tablespoon. That's going to give me about 3 grams of protein and, an extra 50 calories or so, right? And an extra, 20 calories off that. So it's 70 calories, right, to make up for that extra 4 grams of protein. When I'm cutting out 105 by cutting that in half. So essentially, I'm netting 40 calories. Not a whole lot, but I'm getting the same amount of protein for 40 calories less. It's a good though. It's a good deal. You should do it. It definitely will help. You have a good day.